Hello friends, this is a quick video for automatic transmission car. Any car you have automatic transmission, just in case you have your battery died or some reason you're not able to move your lever, the gear lever, like here, like I don't have a key inside. If you have something like you lost your key or battery died, you want to move on neutral or R. So what you have to do, you have to just pop up this kind of lock. You have it, I removed it already. All cars have it. They're gonna have a little hole like that or something. What you have to do is gonna have one kind of screwdriver just to push it inside, and then you will be able to move it. Without putting in, you're not able to move. Only now neutral and drive. What you have to do, you have to put your screwdriver inside, and you can move anywhere. There's no car key inside. Once again, but make sure you have brakes, not the brake pads, but hand brakes on. If you just testing or is on where your car can be back up, because foot pedal not gonna work when you remove this lever like that. That's all. Thank you for watching.